You can see right here that this website has gotten 342 million views in the last 6 months, which is about 600,000 views a month. This website 4 million views, this website 3.7 million views, and this smaller website with 55,000 views. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can leverage this traffic by offering free offers to this traffic and then getting paid for that. What's going on, guys? My name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset, and on this channel I upload daily videos on how you can build online businesses, how you can make money online and build a sustainable income online with your laptop or PC. So if you're interested in this kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an amazing video just like this one. And in this specific video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn $10.13 over and over again with this big traffic method on these 4 specific websites using ClickBank, and there are going to be 10 alternatives to ClickBank in the pinned comment below, as I know ClickBank is not worldwide, but this is actually going to be a super simple method, really easy to do, super simple to understand. All you got to do is just stick with me so you can see how the step-by-step process works. And I do have here that anybody can do this. This is worldwide, because if you look at the alternatives in the pinned comment below, you'll see that though you can sign up on those other websites. And this is going to be an amazing traffic method simply because you're getting paid to promote free products. Now, who doesn't love free products? Now, this may not make sense to you yet, but if you keep watching, you're going to understand exactly why. And I'm going to show you, as I say, these extremely popular websites to get a lot of traffic to your free offer. But if you're ready for this value pack video, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is I'm going to head over to clickbank.com, which is the #1 affiliate marketplace in the world. I'm going to come over to the affiliate marketplace, and I've actually got a specific product that you can use already. You're welcome to search similar alternative products to use as well, but I'm just going to use this one that I'm going to show you now because I prefer it the most. You'll see you've got a whole bunch of categories right here, and you've got a search bar where you can search specific products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search something like, let's go bracelets. Something small, something that's not expensive, something that is high selling. And you'll see right here, making fork bracelets, how to make amazing unique fork bracelets, free Reiki energy bracelets offer, all new free spirituality bracelets as well. There's another guardian angel bracelet offer with free stuff. There's another bracelet over here, free fire cable paracord bracelet offer, also for free, but you can earn $5 a sale with this specific product. But the one that I'm going to use specifically for this video is this one right here, a free Reiki energy bracelets, and you're going to earn $10 per sale. But you'll see right here, if I click on the actual product and go to their website, you'll see right here, claim your free Reiki energy healing bracelet now. So it's basically made with natural gemstones. It's one of those like popular wish products that sell a lot, that's not expensive at all. In this case, it's actually free. But where you are making your commissions is if I click on enter your shipping details, basically they're going to charge a small shipping fee. See right here, 217 Rand or 270 Rand, which is about $12 shipping, which is not a lot at all. And that is where you're going to earn your $10 commission, is on the shipping. But the actual product itself is completely for free. But now that we have our product in mind, there are 3 websites that I'm going to show you, ranging from the largest to the smallest website. But firstly, I want to take you over to a website called similarweb.com, where I actually did a quick audit on Craigslist.org, which is one of the websites that we're going to be using. And you'll see this website has had a total visits of 342.56 million views in the last 6 months, which is a lot of traffic. It's currently the number 51st largest website in the world, and remember, there's millions of websites on the internet, so for this one to be ranked at 51 is really, really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to head over back to my affiliate offer. I'm going to click on their affiliate page because I just want some information on their product. You'll actually see right here, there's a picture here already, so I'm going to download this image, just that I've got this on my PC. And then you'll see right here, there's some email materials here, and I've got some more information on the actual product here. But now that I'm back at Craigslist, what are we going to do is we are actually going to post an ad in Craigslist. You can see they've got tons of various different categories. But remember, Obviously people love free stuff, and since this product is for free and you're only paying for shipping, we can actually put a post in the free section, and this is where most of the traffic goes to on Craigslist, is the free section, because people love free stuff. They want free stuff because it's free. I mean, they're not paying money for it. They can obviously maybe resell it or keep it for themselves. The free section is the section that provides the most value to the people visiting this website. So most of the people visiting this website will come here and see your offer. So you'll see right here, the pictures are taking a little bit while to load, but you can actually see on the top right, there is a button called post. You want to click on that so we can create our post, and you'll see right here, please limit each posting to a single area and category. You'll see what type of posting is this. You're going to be a for sale by a dealer. You can click on continue, because a dealer, you're an affiliate, you're not the owner of the product, so you don't want to lie about that. Click on continue. You'll see right here, you just need to choose a category. So let's choose, obviously got to do with bracelets, so it's like accessories. It could be accessories or jewelry. I'm just going to select jewelry and go continue. And this is where we need to put our posting title, price, and city or neighborhood. There we go. So for our posting title, we can literally copy this as is, a free Reiki energy healing bracelet. We can paste that there as the title. For the description, we can come back here. We can literally copy this entire description. We can then paste this here in the description. Make or manufacturer, we can put Reiki, which is the brand name, so you spell it, model, a name number. We can also put Reiki as is. We can leave out the length, width, and the height. Language of the posting, English, condition, new. We can put delivery available, and then right here in the first line of the description, you can put something like this: order here for free. And we can go back to the marketplace of ClickBank. We can click on promote the product. We can then enter our username, because we want to get our affiliate link that they can click on or copy and paste into their browser. You can enter your account name and click generate hop links. There we go. Once I've got my hop link, you can then head over to a website, bit.ly, where you can shorten your links, create a much more professional looking link, and actually track the amount of clicks that it gets. So I'm going to click right here on create. I'm going to paste my long affiliate link from ClickBank, click on create in the bottom right, and you can see I've got my link here, but I'm going to customize this back half. I'm then going to copy this. I'm going to come back to my Craigslist post, and I'm going to put here this link to my affiliate product. You'll see on your ad, you'll actually need to put a space between the bit.ly, because Craigslist blocks bit.ly links, and you can put in brackets, copy and paste into browser and remove spaces. There we go. That's all we can say. We can then click on continue and publish our ad. And then you'll see right here, I can then add an image. So I'm going to click on add image and upload the picture that I downloaded off the bracelets website. Once that's done, you can click on done with image, or you can add more if you like. So you'll see right here, I'm going to click done with images, and you'll see right here, this is what my ad looks like: free Reiki energy healing bracelets, the link that they can copy and paste into their browser. Again, the description, order here for free, and then we can go continue or publish, and our ad will then be published. There we go. So now all you got to do is you got to head over to your email that you've created your account on and verify that email before your ad goes live. Once I've clicked on the verification link in my email, it's just going to ask me for terms and conditions. Click accept, and it should be done from there. And there we go. Now my ad has been posted. And what you can also do is you can head over to a website called bedpage.com. So if I head over to Bedpage, they are currently getting 4 million views every 6 months, which is still a lot of visits. That's about, you can see right here in November, they actually got 3.6 million visits just alone in November, and 4 million visits in December alone. So here you can do the same. You can click on post ad. You can sign in with Google, post an ad. You can also head over to a website called locanto.com, where you can do the same thing and post as many ads as possible, repost them again later on. You can see here, post free ad. You can then post an ad here as well. Same thing with freeglobalclassifiedads.com, where we can post global classified ads and target specific areas as well. So same thing here, click on publish your free ad. You can create your account and do so. It's pretty much the exact same setup as Craigslist. But guys, if you'd like to see some more free courses and playlists that I've got here right on YouTube that you can watch for free, you can click here and go watch some of my best videos and business models on how to make money online. So what I suggest is choose one of these on the screen, click it, and I'll see you there.